we're gonna film a review video of this PREXISO tape measure, and check this out. It's got a laser measuring thing as well. We're gonna do a review of this and let you know if you should buy one or not. And I'm gonna show you how it works with all the functions and features. So Rowan's filming and editing. Rowan, turn that camera around, say hi, and show him some B-roll.
Hello.
So as a tape measure, this thing is pretty big. It's pretty bulky. It's pretty bomb-proof. It's got a really nice tape on it. Has all the American inches, feet. Turn it over. It's got American inches and feet. And then this one section, it does have, for everybody else in the rest of the world, it does have metric. And this thing's big. This thing is very nice to use, professional. Let me show you the, they call it the breakaway point, how far this thing can get, holding it level before it breaks. And I usually get it to right around, a little more than 8 feet is what I got, kind of like a jack in the box. You see me jump? I got scared there. But about 8 feet out, that's really good for a tape measure. It does have, you know, the hook for measuring. What's really nice about this, I've seen other tape measures have it as well, is it's got this thing so you could hook it on the inside of something, take a measurement, and check this out. Pretty powerful magnets on there. Check that out. Came off, but if you were holding it steady, this would do the job of sticking on some metal and doing a measurement. Now, the best thing about this, even though it's a tape measure in every sense, 16 foot, by the way, it has the laser. So I'm going to now show you the laser. So let's use the features to use the laser. Obviously, you push this button and hold it, and it turns on. And then it's going to show you a 0, 0. And I wish it would turn on and just instantly start measuring, but it doesn't. And so what you have to do is you have to push this, and it kind of locks in. And I'm going to show you the error I got when I first turned it on. I got this error. If you get that, that means you're measuring too short of a distance, or you're shooting at something like a mirror and it's not reflecting correctly. It can't calibrate the distance, so you need to get a little further and measure. That's 1 foot 4 inches away, my hand, from this. And if you want to change the units, you would think you just push this units button, but you don't. Zoom in on that, Rowan. What units does is changes the measurement from the back of the tape measure or to the front of the tape measure, depending on your measurement situation, like if it's back up against a wall or something like that. If you want to change the units from feet, you push and you hold for like 2 seconds until it changes. Now we're in meters. Press and hold again. We're in feet with a decimal. Press and hold again. I believe it goes to inches, decimal. Press and hold again. And we're back to the American feet, inches, and then a fraction. So let me show you a measurement that I would, this thing really helps for like measuring far distances. Says it's good for up to 130 feet. This is really nice for measuring like how tall a ceiling is. We would either get 2 people out to pull the tape measure up, or you would need a ladder. With this thing, it's much easier. So let's measure the ceiling of this garage. Okay, let me show you one more feature before we measure this ceiling, and that is if you don't want to just do a push button measurement, let me just measure like way over there. The wall over there is 9 feet away. You can push and hold this red button, pushing and holding now, and then it changes to measure as you go. So this light is currently flashing. You can see that, and so you can measure a distance way over there. You can measure that. You can measure way up there, and it'll change as it goes. So right now I want to measure what I told you is the ceiling in here. And so what I'll do is I'll set this thing down here. Follow this thing down, Rowan. And first of all, it doesn't. I wish this was level here for measuring ceilings. It's not level. It kind of falls over. But if we put it up And you can look right there. This, I knew was about 9 feet, but it's 9 feet, 6 inches and a half inch. And this makes it really easy for measuring things like ceilings or long distances very quickly. So do I recommend one of these? I sure do. This is a great thing. I'm going to give it a great review. It's a sturdy tape measure that you can use, carry around all day, and it is a laser as well for those hard to do measurements. So get one in the description below. Hopefully you enjoyed the review.
Goodbye.